What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the range. My name is Trey with Ghost Tactical, and I am done with my summer siesta. Most of you guys know that follow the channel know that summertime is really busy for me, and yeah, I try to take some time off and go to work and all of that, but that time is over. I'm still working hard, but I'm finding some time to catch up. I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm getting ready to flood the airwaves with. I've got about 17 or 18 items that I've got to get caught up on, so you guys are going to see a lot of videos coming your way. I've got rifles, I've got scopes, I've got pistols, I've got all sorts of stuff that you guys are going to enjoy. Today's video is going to be on our 2023 and into 2024 PRS long-range rifle competition gun. As you guys know, a couple years ago I got involved and started getting into the PRS long-range game, and with that Bergara B14, love that rifle, still love that rifle. But what I wanted to do this year is shoot in the gas gun 308 division. So what I've done is I've taken an Anderson AM10, this is the Ranger model, and we are going to build us our competition rifle. We are going to talk individually in videos later coming down the line on each individual one, the scope, the rifle, the bipod, and talk more in depth about each one of the items. But today we're going to get a quick overview of what they are. Like I said, this is based on the Anderson AM10. This is the Ranger model, 308 Winchester. Great gun, shoots phenomenally, love it to death, and I'm a big pony fan, The scope is a Leupold Mark III HD 8-24x50 scope, and the bipod is a Swagger Steel Banger bipod. So let's kind of dig in real quick on some of the specs on the Anderson AM10.
The Anderson AM10 Ranger is a fresh take on the classic 308 Winchester, featuring the newly designed Generation 2 receivers and handguards. It comes with an 18-inch mid-length barrel, 15-inch M-LOK handguard, a Magpul carbine buttstock, a Magpul K2 pistol grip, a 2-stage trigger system. It comes in at about 8 pounds with a twist rate of 1 in 10.
Alright, so we've talked a little bit about the rifle. Now let's look a little bit in depth of the Leupold Mark III HD 8-24x50 scope real quick.
Built for any shooter who needs a rugged, precise, and repeatable Bill Mace scope for the rifle, the Mark III HD from Leupold delivers elite optical performance and match-grade repeatability under any conditions. It features a P5 dial with 1/10 mil adjustments, a 30mm main tube, a high contrast mil adjustment markings, a 3:1 zoom ratio, elite optical system. It's waterproof, fogproof, and shockproof. It comes in multiple reticles with scratch-resistant lenses and a removable throw lever.
Now, you guys know that Leupold is one of the most respected brands out there. I'm a huge Leupold fan, and I am honored to be able to work with them a little bit and get this scope on this rifle for competition. It's going to do me great. I cannot wait to get this into the real thing and start shooting. Moving on to the bipod, let's talk a little bit about the Swagger Steel Banger bipod.
This Swagger bipod is the SEA-12, and it goes from 9 to 12 inches. It was designed for situational shooting, and it boasts an extensive range of maneuverability, and it's designed to adapt to the unique challenges of uneven terrain and extreme angles. It comes in at 13.6 ounces. Like I said, the effective range is 9 to 12 inches. It has overmolded Quick Adapt HD joint for a more stabilizing shooting platform. It has extreme cant and traverse, and it has the Quick Adapt HD technology, and it mounts directly to a pick rail.
If you guys aren't familiar with Swagger, you need to be. They're a great company. They make great products that are not going to break the bank. I'll put them against anything in the same price range. They're going to beat them all. They've got different models, different sizes, whatever you need. Go check out the Swagger line of bipods as well. Like I said, guys, I can't wait. My first match is going to be the middle of October, so I've got a month to 6 weeks to really get this dialed in and really have fun finding the right ammo, getting everything dialed in, ready for my first match. And as always, I will be hopefully videoing those matches and bringing that to you as well, so you can kind of see how we do. Now, I'm not looking to be a world record holder, a national champion, but I will say this. Most of you that know me know that I'm extremely competitive. Like, I'll cut your throat playing Monopoly if I can win. So obviously I want to do well. That's why I've gone with some of these products, to make sure that I have the best options, the best way to compete in the Gas Gun 308 division. I can't wait to get out there and all that. Now, there's also going to be some more videos. In the last couple of years, I have upgraded and changed a lot of my stuff that I use for competition, whether it's the shooting bag, the tripod, binos, all that stuff, and we'll have videos on all those products as well, and so you get to see exactly what I'm taking to competition and all of that. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself, but we're gonna have fun regardless, one way or the other. So guys, stay in tune to the channel. Like I said, we're getting ready to flood you with all sorts of products, all sorts of things, whether it's handguns, rifles, triggers, everything and anything in between. We're going to be flooding you with everything. So guys, get to the range, be more proficient with your firearms, stay in tune to what's going on at the local, state, and federal as far as 2A legislation. Make sure that your elected representatives are doing their jobs, and if not, hold them accountable for that. More importantly, just enjoy some of your freedoms of being an American, one of which is to keep and bear arms. We'll see you soon. Like I said, enjoy the flood that's getting ready to come, and we'll talk to you soon. Semper Fi.